Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the another section of comparing and ordering decimals. Hope you are fine at home, enjoy your work and take care of yourself and your elder ones. I'm your math teacher. Today we are going to do comparing and ordering of decimal numbers. In the last lecture, we already done how we write decimal number in expanded form, convert decimal to fraction and fraction back to decimals, how you convert mixed fraction to decimals also. And after this, we have another session of decimals, comparing and ordering decimals. So if the decimal numbers are unlike, it means not like decimal numbers, then convert them to like decimals, write them into place value table, and then start comparing the digits of decimal number from left to right. For example, comparing, I have two numbers 5.72 and 5.713. I want to compare these decimal numbers. So first I have to write in the place value chart. So where is the position of particular digit in decimal number? So it will be better to find this way. So if I have a number like 5.72, it means 5 is one place, 7 in 10th place after the decimal, and 2 is 100th place. Then you convert this into like decimals. Like decimal means whatever left digit is there in decimal you consider as 0, because adding 0 to the right end of decimal number does not change its value. So I added 0, adding 0 to the right of the end of decimal numbers does not change its value. So if I write 5720, 5713, so you have to compare first one place. If one place is same, then move to the 10th place. If 10th place is same, then move to the next place, 100th place, then so on. Then you have to compare which one number is greater. If this is one place is 5 and 5, these are same. 10th place, then we move to the 10th place. Yes, 10th place numbers are also same. Then our next target is we move to the 100th place. 100th place is, and first number there is 2 and second number is 1. Now 2 is greater than 1. By finding this way, if this number is greater than second number, so it means topmost number is greater than the downward number. So by this comparing this way, 5.720 is greater than 5.713 or 5.72 greater than 5.713. You can write it both the ways, but condition is that you have to first write into the place value table, so it will be better for comparing. Suppose in this before the decimals number is bigger, like 2-digit number is there, then you have to move on this side, ones place, 100 place. So before moving after the decimal, you have to compare ones and 100 place first. If in the ones and 100 place number is greater, then you have to do not move. You no need to move after the decimals. Only you have to move after the decimal if numbers at ones place are same or ones 100 place are same. Then you have to move to the decimal number to find key among the decimals which number is greater and which number is less than, by comparing the each digit place value. So here these are only for the comparing of two numbers, but if I have number of givens in the form of decimals, how you arrange in the ordering decimal numbers? Arrange 3.24, 4.7 and 3.624 in descending order. Descending order means first you have to write the bigger number, first position, then lowest number, then further lowest, further lowest, further lowest number. You have to move according to that. But if it is ascending order, you have to write first smallest number, then greatest number, greater number, greater number, and the last greatest number you have to write. It means descending order means you have to go downward in the stairs, and ascending order means you have to move upward to the stairs. Lowest stair, second greatest stair, and third greatest stair. Similarly, descending order, highest, lowest, 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 and so on. So here if I have a number 3.24 and 4.7 and 3.624, similarly condition is same. You have to write under the place value table and then compare that. Like here, if I check before the decimal, all has one place, so in the place value chart I have to consider only one place. And after decimal, there is a 2 decimal places, there is a 1 decimal place, there is 3 decimal place. So I have to convert these all decimal number into like fraction. How will you convert into like fraction? You add with the 0 here, you add 2 0 here, and this already is it 3 digits already there after the decimals. So if there is 3.24, 3 ones place, 2 tenth place, 100 place, 4 to make it a like decimal, 1000 place will be 0. 1 place is 4, 10th place is 7, 100 place is 0, and 1000 place is 0 to make it a like fraction, like decimals. So here also in 1 place 3, 10th place 6, 100 place 2, and 1000 place 4. So here first we compare with the ones. So this 3 and 3 is same, but only this 4 is different. So this 4 is greater than 3. So among these three numbers, whenever 4 in one position, this digit is more. So we consider this as we no need to go further after the decimal, because if your ones place is greater, you no need to go further for checking the decimal number. So here we consider this 4.7 as the greatest number and we keep it aside. Now whatever two number left is there, those has 3 at one place. Now among those two numbers, decimal number, how can we find which one is greater? In that case, if one place is same, we move to the 10th place. Check out the 10th place among 2 and 6. 6 is greater than 2. It means downward number is greater than topmost number. So it means topmost number is smallest number and third number is greater than the smallest number, and middle one number is greatest number among these three numbers. So how you arrange these numbers like that? We already write in one place 4 is greater than 3. It means middle one number is greater than among first and third numbers. So we write once 4.700 and keep it aside. Now further two numbers is left whose ones place is same. Now comparing these two numbers, we move to the decimal number, first decimal place. Which one first decimal place is greater, then we consider as the next number. So that is 3.624. After that third number is left, we consider as smallest number and we will write as 4.700 greater than 3.624 greater than 3.240. In this way you can arrange in descending order, but if it's the condition of arranging ascending order, so 3.240 will be first one, second one will be 3.624 and last will be 4.700. So hope you understand well this ordering decimal number. I repeat again what we have done today. Today we have done comparing first decimal numbers. In decimal numbers, if you have given two decimal number, you have to write those decimal number under place value tables at particular position and starting from left and move to the right. And if the first one number in the left side is same, you move to the second number, then third number, and wherever you get the different number, you can compare and write which one is greater and which one is less than. Similarly, same in ordering decimal numbers, if there are more than two numbers are there, condition is same, you write in the place value table. Check first with the ones place whether it is before decimal, two places are there, then first you check with the 100 place. If 100 place is greater, then you no need to move further. That particular 100 place digit would be considered as biggest one number. But if 100 place is same, then move to the one place